Hello, another day of VIDZMO reaction. I'm gonna share you my screen and we'll see what we have here. I've seen something exciting today. This guy is donating something. We're just gonna do a.
You're probably thinking, this video has to be clickbait.
No, no, no.
Well, look at this. This guy has one viewer, which is us. Subtract us, and he has 0 viewers. Streamlabs is unavailable.
Try a second Streamlabs link. He has 2 just in case. Oh no, it's a download link.
Next one.
He's not gonna react, I don't think.
Dude, people sleeping have the best reaction. Maybe we can wake him up.
Try to wake him up.
$10,000
Sleeping guy. No, 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 no,
Right.
no. Stop it.
We gotta prove to them it's
Oh
not
my
clickbait.
gosh, that's so much money.
$10,000 to a guy sleeping who's probably not gonna see it.
$10,000 donated, but it worked.
That's all you can do.
Ah,
Thanks for the dono.
Thanks for the dono.
No way, mate. Oh, Mr.
no way.
Hey, what's up, man?
$10?
$10.
$10! There's 3 extra zeros on it.
It just goes
Yeah.
back to sleep.
Went back to
People sleeping have the best reaction. Wonder what he's gonna do when he realizes it's $10,000, not $10.
Hopefully get some new sheets.
You don't like his sheets?
Those are ugly.
Well, guys, he went back to sleep. Sorry for waking you up.
Ah,
Oh my.
Wait. I did just bring
I think they're just burning the whole.
Great start.
This is good content.
Hey, they want me to donate to small streamers.
What do you mean, Mr. Beast? You have $10,000. You really sent me $10,000. Is that funny? Thanks for the 10,000. Let's do a collab or something.
That's the collab everyone's waiting for.
Just me sleeping in bed.
Guys sleeping together.
Yep. Oh yeah, guys, before we go any further, let me introduce you to my children. This is Chris, this is Chandler, they're both about 8 years old. Our next victim is this blue-haired man. Invest in pieces.
Oh, oh.
I don't know if I did 100,000 or 10,000. Hope it's 10,000.
Invest in Beast Plaza.
You good, bro? Is this real?
Is this for real?
Yeah.
Is this real life?
Hey, what is Mr. Beast's Twitch name?
6,000, MrBeast 6,000.
You're lying,
I swear to God,
dude.
no way.
I'm not even, dude.
He's just like, no way.
I'm freaking out. I'm actually freaking out.
Isn't it funny how some people, when they freak out, they just say, I'm freaking out. That's their way of freaking out.
I'm
Might
freaking
just
out.
create a Twitch account, VIDZMO
Mr.
account.
Beast,
Twitch.
6,000. Thank you for that. How many zeros is that?
I said the same thing.
I don't know what to say.
Thank
I'm-
you.
Yo, there's another person in the chat. We're no longer the only viewer. We got abort.
Can you please elaborate on what you mean by invest in Beast?
Since you asked, I'll go ahead and explain it. You're probably wondering, where did this $100,000 come from? As you see from this screenshot, these Twitch videos typically get copyright claim, which means I won't get any of the ad revenue. So if I'm not getting any ad revenue, and there's not a sponsor on the video, where is the $100,000 coming from?
I don't know.
Let me tell you. It's coming from Shop MrBeast.
Oh boy, that's my favorite website.
I'm going to start using Shop MrBeast as a method to fund my videos. You guys are investors. By investing in merch, you're funding these videos.
And you get dope hoodies in return.
You invest in the stupid things I like to do.
Yes!
And sometimes good things.
Yes!
So now I think it's time to show them the great design Shop MrBeast has to offer. This first hoodie is on Beast. This hoodie is guaranteed to get you more friends. Invest now! This next hoodie is the classical Beast logo hoodie. You can't go wrong with this one. And this next hoodie is Gold Beast, and it's actually made with real gold. I don't know why there's a disclaimer there. So yeah, guys, invest in Shop MrBeast so I can continue to do videos where I give away $100,000. I have lots of big plans, but I need your guys' help. Invest! And finally, you can support these boys by using their codes at checkout. Here's a list of all the codes. Chris, Chandler, Bailey, and Ethan are the editors. Tariq's the cameraman. Whenever you use their codes at checkout at shopmrbeast.com, they get kickback of the sale. sales. So if you think Chandler's extra funny, use his code and he'll make some money. Whoever, if you like someone, use their code at checkout, it'll support them. And remember, invest in the merch so I can keep spending lots of money. This boy has 0 viewers and also 0 frame rate. Which means we should give him some money. Ask him to pick a number between 1 and 10, and we'll donate that in thousands.
MrBeast, pick a number between 1 and 10. 6,000. 1 and 10. 6.
6.
Oof, man, number.
Number 6. I think 6.
I went through.
Hey.
No way. Oh.
Dang, this dude can cry pretty well.
Oh my god, dude.
Nice.
In an account. Oh my god, dude. I can't believe.
I like what you like.
Oh god, let me get a grip. Okay, thank you. First of all, man, you are awesome. I can't even get my words straight. Check me out.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna use it. Thank you, MrBeast, man. Thank you. You're awesome, dude. I'm gonna sit here and try to play this last 12.
tell him he gets another 1,000 if he wins.
You don't know how much that is going to change my life, bro. You don't. You really don't. Oh my god.
Yeah,
See,
I
guys,
don't really
this is why you
understand
should
Twitch
invest in Shop
before.
MrBeast merch. See how happy
I
this guy
saw
is.
this YouTube video
No!
that you can actually
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Chris won. Chris, you can tell him to buy merch with your code.
I'm using the code Chris. Shop MrBeast. I'm gonna go there right now. I'm gonna go grab something.
Yeah, boy. Wow. Can you find the donation button? Most people are like, you don't have to donate.
But you can. This guy's just like, tips appreciated.
Alright, let's make this guy's day.
Donate whatever you want to donate.
You should go to
Yeah, for the record, Chris currently has the most code uses.
and use code Chris.
They nerfed me.
Alright, well I guess we only have $4,000 left in our balance. Wait, so you use 4,000 from PayPal and then 2,000 from the bank? Yeah,
Yeah.
let's do that. Yeah.
You should go to Shop MrBeast and use Chris. 6,969. Yo, you're lying. No. No way. Bro, are you serious?
We're not
Yo,
close.
are you serious right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He kind of looks like Joe Weller.
Yeah, a little bit.
You should go to Shop MrBeast and use code Chris.
He's doing it!
What's he doing?
He's going to shopmrbeast.com and he's using code Bailey! Yes, he's buying the merch on stream!
Let's see, does he use code
Bailey!
Will Chris get a kickback? Wow, that's some next level strategy. You give him $7,000
Of your money.
so you can get a kickback on the sale of a hoodie.
Make sure you guys go to shopmrbeast.com and use whatever code you want. Maybe it's Chandler. Maybe it's Bailey! Yeah!
We'll blur his address.
Oh, he's punching the air.
This guy has 3 viewers. We're one of them. Chris's phone is the other, which means 0 actual people are watching him.
Hey there, Delilah. What's it like in New York City?
Alright, that's beautiful. 10,000 it is. What? Alright, fine. If he gets this kill, he gets 10 grand. No kill, only 5. Oh, 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 kill. Kill. Oh.
Oh.
Alright, Chris. Jerk. Oh wow. Why did it take my perfectly even number and turn it into that garbage?
Look at that fake money.
Chris Jerk.
Jerk.
Chris Jerk. Christ Jerk.
That is not how you say my name.
Big donations.
Fake donation.
Why would you even do that, man? Like, come on.
Alright, fine.
He's pissed.
He's a why would
Gets
you?
money, is mad.
What is he doing?
Alright.
He just left his stream.
That's gotta be bait. That's gotta be bait. No way. No way. You're joking.
Next up is this female. Have we done a female yet?
I've never done a female.
Anyways.
The Great Big Tree Spree is going on
Oh,
now
shit,
at Michael's.
shit.
Get 50% off trees from Slim and
You clicked the wrong link there, bud. You know, the big one that says donate?
You know what? His face is now blurred.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Code change.
Oh wait, you should do it all 9s because we're all 9.
If you want, me and Chris cannot change it. People are watching, you give her
Dong.
Alright, send it. What, it really didn't pop up?
She's devastated.
Good pick, Chandler. You pick somebody who doesn't have notifications.
This is gonna be real. I don't like.
Dude, she went from 0 viewers to 4.
Power of money.
She started from the bottom and now she's here.
Hey, Chandler.
Hey.
Watch this.
No! Why would you say that? All right, Chandler, you're vanished. Go away.
Yeah,
Why would you...
McDonald's.
She laughed. It's
Don't
okay.
worry, she's saying
It's okay. She laughed. That's all that matters.
Let's give her money.
Me, that was me.
Whoa, she sounds like anime.
Oh, Filipina.
She gets lots of money. Yes, because we like anime. Good priorities.
Oh shit.
Yes. Use code Chris.
Dude, it's embedded in my head.
Dude.
Hey, go to and use code Chandler at checkout.
Use because you put a link. It mutes links.
What?
Holy shit.
No, she's not.
She broke character.
Hello? Oh my god.
She stopped her.
What?
I told you it was a voice.
Oh, excuse me?
So what happens when you use code Chandler?
You bring out the real in people.
People lose their ability to speak.
Why am I crying? How can I not? Oh no. Frosted Best Dad hat. Sorry, I'm just like ordering that stuff right now.
30 seconds.
No!
You better focus, bro.
That is not real.
You're gonna want to drop
Beast,
somewhere.
No! I get another 2,500 if I get a kill within 30 seconds of touching the ground.
Alright, and start it now. Oh! Oh, no.
That counts. That counts.
Boom!
Yeah,
I sent it.
Mr. Beast, give me $2,500, dude. Come on, baby.
You did it in like 10 seconds.
GG.
Bro, I'm actually about to cry. This can't be real. Dude, I got it. No way. Oh, no. Oh my god.
Dude, he's freaking out. His dad came in.
It's real, Dad. Oh, way to go.
He's doing a thumbnail face.
Alright guys, welcome! We're about to donate to this dude.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my Twitch talk.
Mr. Yeast.
Alright, someone donate this man $10,000.
Just say, Mr. Beast gave me money to promote my code. Okay, scream.
He's about to poop.
Money.
Guys, is that real?
Yo, is that real?
Dude, I don't even know how to react right now. Is that real?
Wait, he's in a
Dude, don't play with
tournament?
my heart right now.
Is he in a
Don't play with
tournament?
my heart.
Apparently.
He said don't play with my heart right now.
No way. You guys are all trolling me.
He won without me.
Look at the chat. Code Chris is better. I agreed. Chris, I love you. Yeah!
Dude, there's no way. Guys, is that real?
They're on top.
There's
2 on top, 3 on top.
What? There's no way. Dude. There's no way I just got $10,000. There's no way. Yo, Mr. Beast, bro. Is it?
You're a
dude,
god.
Listen, I'm a fucking react as if like I'm gonna take it as if it's real, bro. Because there's no way, like, Mr. Beast. I don't think you understand, brother. There's a lot of people out there like that. You know what I mean? That troll posing as you, man. Because you're such a beautiful man. Obviously, you're a beautiful specimen. My father. I've been looking for you my whole life.
Yo, focus up, Toby. Focus up, dude. $10,000 is it?
Dude, I think this is like the real Mr. Beast, though, dude. Like the.
What?
Is somebody, did you get donated that?
Yes.
Bro, if Mr.
No way,
Beast, if Mr. Beast is in your chat, bro, it's about to get real. Oh my god. No way.
Dude, what happened?
That's so dope.
Why did my audio go out my left ear, dude? What happened?
I don't know.
Dude, my left ear, my left, oh.
Plug it in. Plug it back in.
Oh.
How did he not know?
Oh my god!
Where's the game, brother? Minus the Mozambique, brother.
Don't forget to invest in the merch. Like I said, video will probably get claimed. Probably won't make any money. Use whatever code you like. Whoever you want to support them.
Jam this way.
Later.
Okay, folks, that's all. Mr. Beast